Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Magnifica espresso machine. This machine had a clog in the steam boiler, and so it wasn't producing steam or hot water from the steam wand, and also they weren't able to prime the pump because it couldn't open the steam valve, or when you did, it was still clogged and wouldn't push water through the system. We also replaced the spout. It was cracked. This is a common issue with these Magnifica machines, to have cracked spouts. I think the main reason that the machine was clogged was because of hard water. When someone has hard water like this, it's often better to use bottled water, just to prevent future issues or to do more regular descaling. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. Get a nice shot of espresso. We'll check the steam once it cycles through. Oh, it is in steam mode. Thought it was in hot water mode for a moment there. I work on so many different machines, I forget what the signals mean sometimes. But you can see we have nice strong steam. We also replaced the steam wand because after we fixed the clog, we found it was leaking. But you can see that the steam stops right away, so it's not leaking anymore. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.